Right, so Phil's left me to do all the work again.
Yeah.
So what we're doing is putting on some Ghost Bond for you. We've already done one layer. We always do 2 layers.
Okay.
Just to make it nice and clean and makes it sure you get a good bond.
Okay.
I tend to do it like this, just spread it around a little bit.
Okay.
Then I get my brush and just spread it as much as you can to make sure you get a nice even coat. Not too thick, because obviously the thicker it is, the longer it's going to take to dry, and it won't go any stickier. It just go really gloopy and horrible underneath the system. Yes.
That looks fantastic. That's what we're known for.
So we go, this is the finished product.
Okay. Okay.
Checking the hairline. How are you feeling?